Well, 364 days later, I'm finally looking at my 2021 Ford Bronco Big Bend. Wow. I'm here for the full evening shift tonight. I was not expecting it. The VIN visibility told me I wouldn't be here for a couple of days, but here she is. I haven't seen a single race red one yet, so when I ordered it, I was not sure what it was going to look like. But I'm super happy with it. I'll get out of the driver's way, let him do his job. We're getting a couple other trucks, but just unloaded from the truck. Wow. Like I said, 364 days I've been waiting. I ordered it, or I put my reservation down. It was a long process, but here it is. My 2021 Bronco Big Bend. I went with race red and the four-door. So it is the next day. I'm out looking at my new Bronco. Like you guys saw, I got the incredible chance to watch it come in off the truck, as well as get it taken off of the truck, which is very special. Very exciting to me. Something I've been waiting for a full year for, from when I reserved to when it's actually here in my possession at the dealer. So I'm happy to introduce the race red Bronco to the channel. This is going to be a build. We're going to do a lot of different things to it. I plan on doing a lot of accessories. I've already got a lift kit on order. I'm picking out some rims, I'm picking out some tires. We're going to do a bunch of different cosmetic stuff. But let's get right into the walk around and we'll kind of go through how I ordered it and what my thoughts were with my order. So as we saw last night, it is a Big Bend. It is race red. It is the four-door. It is the mid package. So I've got the remote start, automatic transmission, the heated seats. Now, one thing that I was kind of confused about and the website couldn't really explain to me was the headlights. Every picture I saw of the Big Bend, it looked like it had the halo lights. And there was a couple other people who had commented on some other videos or on Bronco 6G saying that the Big Bend came with the signature lights. Well, it does not come with signature lights. It does not come with the same LEDs that are on the Wild Track from my other video, or the Outer Banks, Badlands, and Wild Track and First Edition models get. That's okay. I'm not really that upset about it. It still looks like it has the halo lights as it is right now, so I'm okay with it. It is an LED base light, so I'm cool with that. I will let you guys know what it's like in the during the nighttime. Now, it does also have LED fog lights, which are pretty cool. I was going to go with the modular front bumper, but I wanted the wiring already there for the fog lights because I will change the front bumper out at a later time. Overall, my first impressions are I'm very happy with it. There's nothing that I'm upset about. I'm a little bit concerned about something to do with the hardtop, and we'll get into that into a second. It's like a couple other reviews or a couple other people on YouTube have posted, or on Bronco 6G posted about their experiences with the molded and color hardtop for their delivery. To my knowledge, I'm actually probably the first or one of the first Canadian deliveries, so that's very exciting. I did get the chance to watch it come off of the truck. Actually, I was meeting with a Bronco reservation holder, Julian and Jason. If you guys are watching this, shout out to you guys. It was a great experience. You guys got to see me take delivery of my new Bronco. So overall, I'm happy with it. I like the overall design of it. I think everything looks really good. I'm definitely changing out the rims and tires. The Big Bend, in my opinion, doesn't really come with that nice of tires. I'm a little disappointed with that, but it's the first year. So getting into my build. So again, Bronco Big Bend race red, four-door. I did option to get the trailer tow package here as well. I won't be towing much, but I mountain bike pretty much every weekend, and it's much easier for me to have a bike rack right on my hitch here. Now, I haven't set my rack up or my bike on it yet, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to get an extension for the tow package to come out a little bit further, so I can have my bike rack stick right here. I don't want to hit the camera mount there. Now, I am happy to know that it does have blind spot, the backup camera, and the backup sensors, so I'm good with that. But again, on the topic of the lights, the headlights and the taillights, I thought were going to be the signature lights. Maybe I messed up. Maybe I got a little bit of some confusion going on, but it is what it is. I'm still very, very happy with it overall. Now, moving into the inside, not much is really different. It is the mid-pack, like I mentioned, so it doesn't have the power seats, just has everything manual. But of course, with mid-pack, it does come with a dual climate control as well as the heated seats, push button start, and the remote start, which is awesome for me in the winter. Now, I did go with the molded in color hardtop, and again, more on that in a sec. But I also added in the locking rear diff. Now, I was surprised to see this. This is the trail turn assist. I didn't think I was going to get that. I thought that was only for the higher models, and I'm still not sure, and I haven't had this answered by anyone yet. I ordered with the rear locker, so I'm wondering, because I went with the rear locker, it activates the trail turn assist, it enables it, I'm able to use it. I'll update in the comments if I find that answer, but I think that's why I have that there. Now, on to the auxiliary switches. I did order these because I am planning on putting things like light bars, maybe a winch, who knows, we'll see. Now, on the hardtop, what most of you are going to be waiting for in this video. Overall, I'm very happy with it. I took off the front two panels and I've driven around with it a little bit, and I've noticed right off the bat, there are already knocking sounds. The roof is seeming like it's loose, but I'm not sure why. I haven't had a chance to dive a little bit deeper into it. But like I said, this hasn't even been PDI'd. No one's touched this but me. Like, I was looking at these handles, like these guys are all loose, even when you tighten them down. Like I tightened them down a little, like finger tight, but like the Torx bolts that were in here on all the ones on my front panels, all of them were loose. All of them were not torqued down to the spec. So I've tightened them down. I'll update in the comments as well if that makes the hardtop less knocky or creaky. But I was a little disappointed to see that first. Overall, I'm happy with the design of the molded in color. Everything looks pretty good. I have a demo unit here as well. That was my Wild Track video. And after a couple days and times taking off the cap, we started to notice that these were almost delaminating the corners. They're kind of flaking. You can kind of see on mine here, it's kind of got like an indent there. See if I can get it to focus. Kind of like an indent there. I hope that doesn't turn into delamination like some of the other owners are reporting already. And even like the factory has reported. I'm really hoping mine does not have that. But if it does, it is a first year, so there's not much that I can complain about or get too upset about. So this is a quick little one take video I wanted to do to tack on to my first impressions watching it coming off of the truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn that notification bell on. There's going to be a lot more. This Bronco is going to be built. This is the Bronco for the channel. I'm very excited for it to get onto the channel. Stay tuned for more of the build. I have already ordered a lift kit. I have some rims I'm going to pick out. I've got some tires coming forward as well. Stay tuned.